Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my no issue ACCA classes. In today's topic is especially important for the ACCA PM student, but it is equally valuable for the BBS or MBA student as well. So we will break down the contribution and break-even point in case where you deal with the multiple product. So let's start the today topic. So in today's topic, we will learn how to calculate contribution as well as break-even point for the multiple product case, right? So in earlier video, I have shared how to calculate contribution and break-even point in case of a single product. So but now we are going to learn for the multiple product. So when managing a multiple product, each product has a different contribution per unit based on its selling price and the variable cost. To calculate the break-even point, we need a weighted average contribution per unit. Remember, here the single contribution per unit will not work. To calculate break-even point. We need to calculate weighted average contribution per unit. And here is a formula to calculate the same. You need to take the contribution per unit into the sales mix quantity. Then divide by total sales mix quantity. So in the next slide, I have kept the example that makes you this concept more clear. So here we have a two product. We have a selling price and variable cost contribution as well as sales mix. That means the unit of each product we sold and the total contribution. I hope you guys know how we calculated total contribution. We have just multiplied the unit into the contribution per unit, right? So total sales mix is 100 plus 50. That is the unit we sold for the each product. Now we calculate the weighted average contribution per unit. So we will take the contribution per unit of product A and multiply it by the respective unit we sold it out. Similarly, we will take the contribution per unit of product B and multiply it by the respective unit we sold out. So we will add these two. This will give us total contribution. Then we divide it by the total unit we produce for the both of the product. In our case, it is 150, right? So this will give us the contribution, weighted average contribution per unit of 18.33. So this weighted average contribution is used to find out break-even point for all the product combined. Now let's learn how to calculate break-even point for the multiple product. Once we have the weighted average contribution per unit, the break-even point is calculated as below. So we will take the fixed cost, then divide it by the weighted average contribution per unit. Remember, this will give your answer in the terms of unit. If you want to calculate the BP in terms of dollar or in any currency in case of multiple product, in that case you need to calculate the CS ratio for the multiple product. And how we will calculate it? We will simply take the total contribution by adding the contribution from the each product and divide by the total sales from the each of the product, and then we will divide the fixed cost by the weighted CS ratio, and we will get the BP in terms of currency. So now let's take the example. For instance, if our fixed cost is 20,000 and break-even point in terms of unit is 20,000 divided by weighted average contribution per unit that we calculated earlier, that is 18.33. This will give our BP unit of 1091. So now let's distribute this break-even quantity based on the sales mix. So for the product A, break-even quantity for A is, we will take the BP unit and multiply with the unit of product A sold, divide by total number unit of the both the product, that is the 150 in our case. So in this way we can bifurcate this BP unit among the product. So this means we need to sell 727 unit of product A and 364 unit of product B. So this is very important for the student to understand how to handle multiple product scenario in the exam and as well as in the business. So this is for the multiple product case. I hope this video is useful. In case of any confusion, do let me know in the comment box. I will help or address your query as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys for watching the video, and subscribe my channel for more tips of PM.